is a fine place and worth fighting for. Thank you, Insia Hussain. Now I would like to call Miral Fatma from High Tech Margala Senior Girls Campus to deliver her speech.
May I start? There is a strange silence in some places on earth. Not the silence of peace, but the silence after a storm. The silence that follows the last pipe scream. The silence of smoke rising where houses once stood. In these places, even the wind moves carefully. Even the birds forget to sing. These are the tears of the earth, not falling from the sky, but rising from the ground, rising from destroyed roots, from poisoned rivers, from animals left to die, from children hiding under the matted roofs. The earth cries, and her tears are not water, they are blood, they are fire, they are silence. A small cat walks through broken streets. It looks around, confused, searching for something, maybe food, maybe its family. But there is nothing left. And as the camera follows the cat, we see more. Collapsed homes, burned trees, a school destroyed to rubble, a swing still hanging in a playground, moving gently in the wind. In one destroyed street, a boy stands alone. His eyes are tired. Behind him, a wall has a picture of a flower drawn in chalk by his sister, who is no longer there. He looks up at the sky, but no help comes. Only more planes, and the earth cries again. The trees that gave shade now stand like skeletons. The leaves are burned. The roots are exposed. Even insects have left the land. This land has no more seasons, no more songs, just suffering. Forests gone, animals gone, the rivers have dried, the land is tired. The sky is full of snow, and the earth is crying, Gaza. This is Gaza, ladies and gentlemen. They say there are 6 years a day. Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha, and Namaz Janaza. Every street, every schoolyard, every neighborhood, there is always someone being carried on shoulders. Always a white sheet, always a crowd whispering, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. The children pray not to become the next nameless body, and the tears of the earth continue to fall. A small place with a big heart, where children once played, where people shared tea in the evenings, where olives grew and flowers bloomed. Now a land of dust, fear, and fire. The water is no longer safe to drink. The ocean is filled with waste. The air is heavy with smoke. Animals have no shelter. Children have no school. Families have no homes. These are the tears of the earth. Across the world, we see global programs protecting nature. UNEP's climate change policies, the Paris Agreement, Earth's on, trees plantation, zero emission goal. Billions of dollars are spent to fight with global warming, to save polar bear, to protect our oceans. But Gaza is invisible in all these efforts. While the one part of earth is being saved, the other is bleeding, and no one looks, no one counts Gaza in the global green dreams. Gaza is crying. The earth is crying, and we must cry with it. Not with tears, but with action, with care, with courage, with words that shake the world. Because if we let one part of earth cry in pain, smile. Thank you.